Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today's July the 17th, 2021. Take a look at my chart. We are going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Polkadot, just so that everyone who watches our videos are in position to capitalize, or at least make the necessary adjustments to scave away from price going lower, if that's going to be our prediction. So we're going to talk about Polkadot, see where the price is going to go so that we can always win. Well, I can't say always, because there are some times to where our predictions do go awry, but majority of the time we can get in position and capitalize on where price is going to go. So if you guys want to join our team, we're here. We're not going to be the ones to hype you up on these cryptocurrencies to get you to come in and think that everything will always go up in price, because that is not the case. We're here to ensure that everyone understands that the market moves in ways that you can actually predict and forecast. So if this is your first time seeing our video, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel if you want to join our team. If not, we understand there's a lot of other opportunities for you to go and get your viewpoints heard. So let's get started with Polkadot first. All right. So you guys can see this is the daily time frame on the price chart. One thing about our particular team is that we don't care about news. We don't care about what a particular protocol is trying to implement. We don't care about an earnings report, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. None of that matters. None of it matters. The only thing that matters is the price. I mean, when you watch everyone else's video, they come through and just talk about the price. They try to connect everything to the price. So once you just take away everything and try to connect it to the price and just strictly focus on the price, you begin to see some things that other people just don't see. And it gives us the competitive advantage over everyone else. Just look at the price. Take a look. Last time we did our price prediction in the market for Polkadot was on June 26th. So let me zoom in on this right quick. June 26th was the last time we did our price prediction. It was during our Lookout live stream session. One of our artists and members wanted us to take a look at Polkadot, and we did. So take a look at our prediction. Just take a look. See, we wasn't overly extended in the bullishness in the market in Polkadot. Not at all. We already expected the market to give us some strength, but we wasn't extremely strong in the market at that time. So we didn't expand our ultimate TP price, which was around $16 higher, because we knew that weakness was going to come through into the market in Polkadot. That's the reason why we didn't have our prediction, for instance, up here around $23, $24. That's ridiculous. Because you will see videos out there that say, oh, Polkadot is going to 10x or 100x your money, and that's not the case. So we just said $16 is going to be our ultimate area TP. You guys can tell maybe 2 or 3 days into our prediction was when Polkadot came and took out our area. That gave us 15% profitability though. 15%. You deploy your soldiers into the battle. They came back with 15%. This is how you're able to win into the market without overextending yourself. Now, the ultimate area restriction actually came in around 17. We was $1 away. 21.89%. So if you was able to time that restriction area around 17 in Polkadot, excellent job. Kudos. I want to say congratulations, because many people don't have that ability to time where restriction is going to be and when it's going to get there, right? So I just want to say congratulations to all of our individuals, all of our team members who was able to see that move and capitalize on that 14.92%. Now that time is over. So let's get away. Let's take that away. So I wanted to zoom out. Okay, let's see what the market has done in Polkadot so far. What are we getting in this space? Clearly, we're in a downtrend. Okay, that's the first thing. You don't let no one come in and try to dispel you of what you're actually already seeing. Polkadot is in a downtrend, massive downtrend. I mean, take a look at where we've been just a couple of months ago. Here we are. This is May. We're in July. And the price has decreased 75.62% already within the last couple of months. This is what so many people term a bear market. For you to go from $50 back down to 12, that's 75% loss. Okay, so now what can we really expect, since we've already seen the value of Polkadot decrease by 75%? Obviously, I know people are going to leave comments on this video and say it's a buying opportunity. They need to come in and buy the market. Is that correct? You can also see that we've had an area of support already established into the market in Polkadot, right? Are we going to come back down to around $10.42? Let's see on the time frames. So this is the 3-day time frame into the market in Polkadot. Now, again, one thing that is negative that I'm already seeing on this price chart is this. That shows us that the probability of weakness continuing is still here on the table. Okay. And it is this right here. Okay. I want you all to see this. You see that? The market in Polkadot needed to keep its price above $13, $14. It needed to do that. You can see we're not doing it. That also continues to show us that the weakness into the market in Polkadot is still there. There's no one willing to buy Polkadot at these prices. It's just that simple. And when people don't want to buy these price levels, understand we don't want to buy it neither, because it tells us that the market's going to go lower until it finds a place that the majority of the market wants to come in and buy it. Right now, that is not being revealed, especially because we are breaking price below $14. These last couple of 3-day price bars right here tells us that the majority of the people was trying to keep price from dropping. Look at the result. We're still falling. So this market in Polkadot is still harnessing to us weakness. Okay. So the next stoppage would be at $12. Well, I'm sorry, $10. The horizontal line that I got drawn on the chart. Now, as we see this from a wider time frame, if we still see pretty much weakness in store, we're not going to stop at $10. We're going to come all the way back down to $8. Yes, $8. So you need to be prepared for these type of events so that you don't be caught off guard, so that you don't be amped and tricked into purchasing Polkadot at these prices, especially when you can already tell from the price bars that the market is still showing weakness. 5-day time frame. I can't emphasize enough how bad it is to see the market in Polkadot break this trend, this support line right there at 14. That is real negative. We really needed to see the price maintain that, and for us to not see that shows us that we still got some weakness involved in this space. This is the weekly time frame. Now we got a day and 9 hours left, but generally this weekly price bar, how it looks now, I will have to play and predict that the market is still going to go lower in price. Next, this is the 2 weeks time frame. Again, massive weakness is involved in Polkadot right now. Massive weakness. Five weeks time frame. Again, more weakness is here. So obviously, what we're going to do is play the weakness into the market in Polkadot. Okay. So our first area of TP though is going to be around $10. Okay. Restriction is going to be up there towards 14 because I would expect for the market to overall try to get some more life into this space and try to push up the price. It will be around $14. If we can't see price break up above $14 on strength, that's a fake move. That's an up fade. It's trying to trick us into thinking that the market in Polkadot is a buy when it's really not. So if the price is not going to break above $14 on strength, we already know that is not a real move. They're just trying to trick us. First area TP is right there on our horizontal line. This is around 14.65%. Okay. Now, just for the long term, I'm going to extend down the price in Polkadot around 8. Okay. I'm not seeing that yet, but when I look at it on the weekly time frame, the 2 weeks, the weekly time frame, that is definitely a probable thing that is on the table in the long term. Okay. So we need to be prepared for that to occur just in case. But our first area of focus is right here around $10. So let's pay attention to see the market in Polkadot is going to give us strength around that time. Okay. Because we've already been in a downtrend. So in the initial stages of this prediction, I would expect to see some strength coming to the market because you can only go down so many days. The trap knows that, and eventually he will have to bring this price back up to try to trick people into thinking that the market has found the bottom, right? Just like he did when the market in Polkadot was trading above 14. So check it out. That's it. $10 the first area TP, second area is around 8. Now it's your turn. We are in position. We're expecting the market price in Polkadot to go lower. I want to know what you think about Polkadot and where the price is going to be. Let us know with a comment in the comment section, okay? Welcome to the team. Make sure you maintain a profitability, trade different, and I'm out. Peace.